Hey guys, Rohan here. Coming to you today to talk about this one particular funnel that I'm using that's helping me build a residual income. And I'm happy to share this with you today because this is exactly how I got started on ClickFunnels. This particular funnel and the system that I'm going to be talking about is inspired. I have been inspired by the system that was built by Catlin Bettridge actually. And he's someone that I'm following on Facebook very closely, and I'm getting a lot of value and learning from him. Okay, I'm on his Facebook group as well, and I'm on his email list, so I'm getting all of his content sent to me. And so that's why, I don't want to take credit for this entire thing just by myself. I'm just sharing it with you because this helped me get started um, into the internet marketing field, so to say. Okay, so I'm just going to dive right into it over here. Okay, this is my ClickFunnels dashboard. All right, I'm going to go into my list of funnels, and I'm going to show you what this funnel is all about. Okay, now the beauty of this is, it's a two-step funnel, and the funnel has 7 simple steps broken down into it. That's going to explain to you and help you get trained on how to implement this system. Okay, so I'm going to explain it to you along with going through the funnel so that you get a clear idea about how it is. All right, so I'm going to go into preview mode so we can see it as a website, like how you would see it. Okay, so what do we have here? Free training reveals how to earn about $4,000 per month with affiliate commissions residually. All right, so what you do is you insert your email and click get instant access. Okay, so then you're diverted to the entire funnel. Okay, so now it has 7 steps to it. I'm going to explain each and every step to you, um, and then hopefully you will have a better idea of how exactly this works and how it will benefit you. All right, so this is a free training, by the way. So this training will show you how you can achieve $4,000 per month. Okay, the first video is from Russell Brunson himself, the designer of ClickFunnels, and he can show you how you can retire from your job pretty much in 100 days using ClickFunnels. Okay, so basically, the ClickFunnels has an affiliate program. So if you sign up 1, 2, or 3 new affiliates per day for the next 100 days, this is what you can expect to make. All right, and ClickFunnels is broken down into 3 different packages. Okay, the first package is a $10 package. All right, which I'm not gonna get into. It's just using ClickFunnels as an affiliate without anything else. Okay, but the 2 main packages in ClickFunnels is the basic and the full Edison suite. Okay, the basic ClickFunnels account is a $97 account. Okay, and the full Edison suite is a $297 per month account. Okay, I'm on the Edison suite mainly because it has its own email autoresponder built into it. Okay, the basic package doesn't have that, but you don't. It's not that important. To get started, you can use another email autoresponder service. There are many out there for cheaper rates as well. I just feel comfortable with ClickFunnels. Okay, so step 1 is first getting ClickFunnels. Okay, so if you click this button, you can get your 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. Now, the beauty of this is that I didn't have access to this funnel when I started on ClickFunnels. You know, so I used my 14-day free trial, playing around with different stuff and learning pretty much. But over here with this system, you could pretty much be making money immediately. Okay, like literally on the same day. So what I want you to do is, if you happen to proceed with this and get ClickFunnels, I want you to set up all of this stuff, which won't take more than 1 or 2 hours. Okay, and see and reap the benefits of it. That way, you can, within your 14-day period, you can get your ClickFunnels account paid for. That should be the goal over here. Okay, so there's a little video over here about that will show you how to get started. It's self-explanatory. Once you go on the website, you can see the difference in the packages and just choose the one you want. Okay, step 2 is getting this entire funnel into your account. Okay, so how do you do that? Is you just click this button. Okay, and this entire funnel, exactly how it is, gets copied into your account. Okay, that's one major advantage of ClickFunnels as well. You can just share funnels between accounts via a link. It's so simple. Okay. Step 3 is, quickly customizing your funnel. You can use it in exactly the same way, but you might want to change some colors around. You might want to change some wordings here and there. Change your name, white label it in your own name, put in your own brand if you want, and then of course change your links, which is the most important thing. So that's honestly not that hard to do. I mean, when I signed up on ClickFunnels, I started just using it because it was so user friendly, and I didn't really have trouble with anything. And even if you do, they have a good customer service, help service. Okay, so step 4 is getting your funnel online. Now, I mentioned in my previous video that once you sign up on ClickFunnels, you get a free domain, right? So you can either integrate this funnel into your own domain, okay, or you can even use it with like WordPress and stuff, okay. So there's a little video over here about how to get that done, which is not really that complicated at all. You can watch it, okay. Now, step 5 is very important, okay, because if you remember, the first step in this funnel is you obtain an email of your potential client or customer or affiliate. Now, getting an email is, I wouldn't say it's easy, but um, relative to other things, I mean, getting it's easier than getting a sale, right? But the money is actually in the emails, right? So what do I mean by that is that maybe 100 people will visit this funnel, maybe 50 of them will put in their email, maybe 5 of them will buy in a good case, but then you have 45 emails, right, that you can market to via email for free. So it's very important to have email marketing software. Don't run this without email marketing, okay. Now there are two options that you can do here. First is, if you have the Edison suite, which is the $297 plan, which honestly in the free trial I suggest you get the $297 plan, okay, because for 14 days it's free. Before the 14-day period you can always downgrade if you want, okay. But try it with the Edison suite because it's really comfortable, it's really easy. And if you have that, you can click this button to directly download the autoresponder emails into your account, okay. It's like a 7 to 10 day sequence or something like that. You can get it directly integrated with a press of a button, okay. Or if you're not using the full Edison suite or Actionetics is the name for the email marketing software, you can just download it as a PDF and copy and paste each single day's email into whatever software that you're using. All right, so this video will show you how to do that. Now once that's done, you need to start getting traffic, okay, into your email, into your funnel. How do you do that? Now, there's a thing in the online world where the person who is willing to pay the most for his traffic usually gets the sale, okay. This is something I learned from ClickFunnels as well, and then over time, once I started using Facebook ads and stuff, I seen that that statement actually holds true. Google AdWords, YouTube ads, you name it. So one way of getting good quality traffic is through Udemy, okay. So if you click this button, it'll take you to the Udemy website, okay. Like for example, I'll show you here. So this is the place where you can purchase your traffic, okay. And once you I mean on Udemy you will find a lot of users who are selling traffic, right? They're selling clicks. So for example, for $100 you can buy 100 clicks or 200 clicks, okay, and he'll help you show this offer to them, all right, and then you get charged per click, okay. And in order to set up the offer for your that vendor, you need a particular email. So you can download that email from here as well, okay. You just click this button, all right. Once all of that is done, you pretty much have your system running, okay. Step 7 is about just connecting with the ClickFunnels Facebook group on Facebook. Honestly, the complete community is very helpful. You get instant responses and a lot of value for each and every question that you post on there. I suggest, if you're planning to use ClickFunnels in your life, you join this group. It's free, all right. The last thing here before I sign off is ClickFunnels, they are amazing because and for one reason is because once you get 100 active affiliates, Once you sign up 100 active affiliates, ClickFunnels will pay for your car. They'll pay for your dream car, which is for 100 affiliates, it's $500 per month. So if you're leasing your dream car, I mean, if it's below $500 you're getting per month, then you're getting it for free. I mean, ClickFunnels will pay it for you. And if you get 200 affiliates, you'll get up to $1,000 per month. Okay, so I can't wait to hit this particular milestone. And here's a video of another dream car winner over here. You can check it out when you have the time. Okay, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Now I hope I didn't make the video too long, but I mean, this gives you a complete gist of how this system works. It's really simple, won't take a long time to set it up. If you have any trouble, just contact me. Okay, my contact details and all the links are below this video. All right, take a look and get in touch if you need some help. All right, cheers guys.